Hello and welcome to the 1 Minute Marketing Show. I'm your host, Joshua Vanderbroek. Super excited to be here. Episode number 1. How exciting is this? We're going to go on a bit of a journey together and I'm hoping that you're going to come along for the ride. It's going to be a lot of fun and it's going to be very educational. Hopefully you might get a little bit of amusement out of it as well. But the idea behind this 1 Minute Marketing Show is that there's so much junk being produced, especially with videos these days, and you're sitting and you're waiting for them to get to the point. I just want to know this one thing, but then you have to go through minutes and minutes and minutes to try and get there. Then you figure out, that didn't help me at all. So the concept behind this show is that we're going to get rid of all the fluff and we're going to cut straight to the point. So the way the show is going to work is that we're going to be a little bit reliant upon yourselves, our viewers. And the reason why I say that is that we want you to participate so you get the content, the information that you want that's going to help you the most. And the way that you can do that is by submitting your question to the email that's on the screen right now. So once we've selected a question, we're going to do our best to answer that for you in 1 minute or less. So yes, there might be a little bit of intro, outro, but the bulk of the lesson is going to be 1 minute to get the response that you need that's going to help you progress and get your business moving forward. Now, this is probably going to be the longest video of the entire series. So thank you for staying through here to the end. If you do have questions about marketing, digital marketing, online marketing, offline marketing, video marketing, email marketing, any type of marketing, please submit them to the email that's on the screen right now. We'll get to you in one of our next videos and look forward to seeing you then.